Hello all, welcome to Know Your Medicine, an initiative by Health9, an online healthcare platform. In this video, we will discuss about Ovral L Tablet. We will also discuss vital elements like why it is used, how it works, its consumption and the side effects. Let me tell you a brief about the medication before starting the theory. Ovral L Tablet is a medicine used for contraception, that is to prevent pregnancy, and it is also used in the treatment of irregular periods. It helps to prevent the release of the egg and its fertilization by the sperm. Ovral L Tablet salt composition is Ethinyl Estradiol 0.03 mg and Levonorgestrel 0.15 mg. The MRP of this medicine is 73 rupees per strip. Ovral L Tablet is usually used for contraception. Ovral L Tablet is a combined oral contraceptive pill. It works by preventing the release of egg and affecting the sperm movement in the womb to prevent its union with the egg. It also changes the lining of the womb and renders it unsuitable for pregnancy. Some of the common side effects of this medicine include nausea, headache, breast pain, irregular uterine bleeding. Take this medicine in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Swallow it as a whole, do not chew, crush or break it. Ovral L Tablet may be taken along with or without food, but it is better to take it at a fixed time frame. Warning: please do not take this medication without consulting your physician. Health9 doesn't recommend or suggest this medicine. The video is purely for informational purposes only.